This is Lance from Lance's Auto Vlog, and I'm back with a new video. So, I haven't been recorded lately, but I got a new project. So, we got this nice McLaren to work on. McLaren GT. There. And, of course, it's a full audio bill. So, we got to replace the factory tweeters there. We've already taken apart most of the car already. We got to replace the factory mid there. And the reason why the speaker's still plugged in is because for me to test, it's going to require me to have the speakers plugged in to make sure that the amplifier is loaded. Because if you disconnect the load on a McLaren with a three-way front, or a McLaren in general, the amplifier will automatically not have any audio. So you don't want to have a chance of muting it. So for me to test the channels to make sure what's what, I'm gonna leave all the speakers plugged in, and also then for me to find out which is left and right, which is front and rear. So we're gonna do a three-way front. So we got a tweeter there, a mid there, a mid bass there, and as you can see, it's a dual voice coil. So we're gonna have to hook up both those signals on left and both those signals on right on the system. And in this particular car, those speakers are woofers. So we're gonna make that a woofer setup. And then we also got a center channel here. And then we have, I don't know if you can see it back there, but we have a two-way rear, and I got to test to make sure that these are independent. If they're independent, then I got to sum them together to get a full-range signal. And if you didn't know, the factory amplifier is right here, and all the wires are right here. So for me to check all this stuff to make sure it works, I'm going to have to literally take this apart, test all the signals, and then what we're going to do is we got the, this is a beautiful car, it's all white. We got the custom box we're putting back here, and then all the amplifiers are going to wind up here. And so the amplifier, the DSP, all the summing devices are probably going to wind up in here. And I got to make a amp rack in here to accommodate all that stuff, and everything's going to go into here. So stay tuned for the next video. Oh, let me show you the box. We've already kind of got working on this. This is kind of a preview of the system, but we already got the custom box going on in this car. We already built that. So let's take a look at that in our new wood room. Let's see here. So here's the custom box. We're going to put the new Hertz 10-inch woofer in it. This fits right in that back area. The woofer's upside down, but we're going to fix it later on, and then basically make it so it humps. But with that, it'll fit in there. We already test fitted it. We already put it in the back. So we got to run wires from front to back. We got to test all the outputs. There's a lot to do. And what I've discovered in this car is all the signal wires are going to wind up going. I don't know if I can get you in there, but all the signal wires are going to wind up going in here. And we basically already pulled this apart, and there's a big fat grommet back there that we can run all the wires through. So now we got to get everything from back here to all the way up there. Stay tuned.